Calling all smart and savvy buyers, worried you missed your chance? This is your moment to buy. And we talk about curb appeal, this home has it in spades. From the Craftsman-inspired porch to the bold red door, it's giving Americana vibes. And the charm of this home is just beginning. South Warren area near the Rich Pond community, one of the fastest growing areas in Bowling Green, the fastest growing city in Kentucky. Surrounded by neighborhood favorites like Cheney's Dairy Barn, Pelican Snowballs, and RPM, and a new Publix coming just a block away, this community is on the rise. And right in the heart of it, a pocket neighborhood with no through traffic, an oasis near all the hustle and bustle of a growing community. An oasis in one of the fastest growing cities in the state of Kentucky. All the charm of this home could be yours. Message us today to schedule your private tour before this home is gone.